Alright, we're working in section 3 here, and it's over evaluating limits analytically. And we're going to be looking at the difference of two cubes. And so we're going to be taking the limit as x approaches 10 of x cubed minus 1,000 over x minus 10. Now if we go ahead and do direct substitution, what we're going to end up getting is 0 over 0. So that means that we're going to try to factor the numerator here and cancel out some like factors. So let me just go to the whiteboard. So we're looking at the limit. I guess we're going to do this in purple. As x approaches 10 of x cubed minus, now I'm going to write, instead of writing that 1,000, I'm going to write this as 10 cubed over x minus 10. So what you really need to know is the formula really for factoring the difference of two cubes. And let me just do some side work over here. We'll write this as x cubed minus a cubed over x minus a. Should probably do this in a different color. But the numerator factors as x minus a times, this is going to be x squared. Now you just take the opposite sign and write the opposite sign here. So if this were a plus, you'd write a minus. But since this is a minus, we're going to write a plus. And then we say ax. And then this piece here is always a plus. And then we square the a. So this has become a squared. And it's all over x minus a. So as you can see here, that these are going to be canceling out, and you would just be left with this piece here. So let's apply that formula to what we have over here, and that is this becomes, now I'm going to rewrite this limit as x approaches 10, so this becomes x minus 10 times, this becomes x squared plus, remember this is the opposite sign of what's written here, plus 10x plus 10 squared, which is going to be 100. And this is all over x minus 10. So as you can see, these are going to cancel out, and then we can go back and rewrite our limit as x approaches 10 of x squared plus 10x plus 100. And now of course we can go ahead and do our direct substitution. So we end up with 10 squared plus 10 times 10 plus 100. And so we could actually rewrite this, since there's 3 100s, right? And that should give us 300 as our final limit. So this limit would be equal to 300. Now this is the difference of two cubes, so you're going to have to memorize this. And of course we come over here, let's check that, and that's what the program says, 300. And if you need some help here, I went ahead and click the help button. You can kind of go down through here and get a quick review of what's going on. So check that out, work some more of those, and we're going to click through this section here and work a lot more examples.